Mike, this is Kelly Carwile, owner of Larimar Digital Marketing. As promised, here's your custom video going through the top things that you can do to increase your online presence and bring in more clients. Today we're going to go through website content, the Google Business Profile, the importance of keywords and backlinks, and then finally how getting to that top spot will directly impact your sales. So the first thing I want to go over is one of the most valuable tools that you can have, a website. I see that you don't have a website, but you do have a Facebook page. I recommend even a simple website to start. The opportunity that you're missing out on by not having one is pretty big. When someone needs a service, they go to their phone, they go to their tablet or computer to search for what they need. They rarely go past that first page in those results before deciding on somewhere to click. So if we need new gutters, we would put the keyword search gutter installation Jacksonville into the search box here. A keyword is just that search term that is used by a potential client searching for your service. And I see here that gutter cap is shows up on that first page. So let's take a quick peek to see how their website is helping them. Okay, so if I'm in the shoes of the potential customer, the site is visually appealing, it loads quickly, and it has all the main points that I want to see on the main page to help me determine if I want to call them or not. It shows the services that they provide, and it also shows the areas that they service. It also has quite a bit of content, which makes Google think that they might be the professionals that I'm looking for and will return it to the top of those search results. So this site has right around 2,200 words. When we talk about content, it means all of the words on your front page to include pictures and what's behind these pictures. You need to have enough unique and authoritative content to add in the keywords needed to bring your site to the top of the search results. So once again, I've gone to Google and searched for gutter installation Jacksonville. At the top of the page, we always see ads that are related to the search. That is if we don't have an ad blocker. And then what we call the map pack. You'll see that this is the first thing that people see when they get to their results page. So you want to get yourself here in the top 3. You can get to the top of the map pack by filling out your Google Business Profile completely and then including your business in as many relevant directories as you can. Google is going to give you more score authority to referring sites that are relevant to your business. This will help you rank higher in the maps. So you want to ensure that you are listed in the same directories as your competition and then add even more to completely dominate in this area. So Ahrefs is a tool that I use daily in my work to look at the site metrics, and it's available to everyone with a monthly subscription. It's very useful in doing our SEO analysis, and what I want to do right now is take a look at your competition site for reference. We see here on their website that they have 90 referring domains that are giving them 242 backlinks. And that's driving quite a bit of traffic to their site. Their scores here, so this is their trustworthiness score and this is their power score. They actually are not that high, so they're pretty beatable with a little bit of effort. Okay, so when I'm talking about backlinks, so I said that they have 90 referring domains giving them 242 backlinks. And when I talk about backlinks, that's exactly what they are. They really are just a website that is sending a link back to your site. So here, the quality of the link is more important than quantity. Not all links are created equal. So the link that you obtain is more effective when you have industry relevant sites linking back to you. So for example, if you have a remodeling or a roofing company that's linking your site on their page, it would be far more powerful than a restaurant doing the same thing. So here we can also pick apart what keywords are working well for the competition, and what is relevant to you. So once you have your website built and you start to outgrow your competition, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so important to your business. So you'll recall that we initially did a search for gutter installation Jacksonville. So I'm looking at this keyword here, gutter installation Jacksonville. Okay, let's assume now that you're now in that top spot and you're generating that same traffic. Every month, 450 people are searching for this keyword. And it looks like they're getting about 10% of that traffic coming to their site. Let's say only 10% of those people actually call. That's what we call the conversion rate. And then say that you close 50% of those calls, which is pretty typical in this industry. They're probably closing around 22 jobs per month just from their online presence alone. And that's just for gutter install jobs only. So any other services that you provide that you're also ranking for would also just add to that number. I'm not sure what your margins are, but I imagine that that would generate some pretty decent revenue. So, like I said, this is what I do for a living, and I've created this video to try to help you start generating your own leads online using these tips. All I would ask is that you give me some feedback on the video. Even just one line is helpful. I'm always looking for ways to improve and add more value to the small businesses that I work with. I would love to see your company at number 1. You can give me a call or text me at 321-626-0586 or just reply to this email. I would love to help you in any way that I can. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.